is your friend Major Rashmi Rana from UPSC Lounge. I hope you all are keeping well and of course busy during this tough time of Corona pandemic. Today, I wish to speak to the homemakers who has got the unfinished agenda of becoming IAS and IPS officers. I know it's very difficult to manage kids, family and studies all together. Many of us have compromised our studies, our career, in fact I must say our dreams at some level. As you see, there are many women candidates who topped the UPSC examination after marriage. In fact, after having kids. They are from us and you could be the next. Only thing is required determination, hard work and proper mentoring. Determination and hard work are the promises you will give to us. Proper mentoring and guidance is our assurance to you. Swavlamban means self-reliance, means believe in yourself. It's an integrated, customized and flexible programs for homemakers. Available in Hindi and English, both mediums. Here, I would burst one more myth that only English medium students top the competitive exams. There are many examples where plenty of students from Hindi mediums top the UPSC examination. The main features of Swavlamban are online mode of learning around 500 hours, duration 1 to 2 years, predefined syllabus and daily target drill, weekly prelims and mains test series, evaluation and feedback criteria within 24 hours, quality mentorship preferably by female buddies, value-added notes and Josh Talk by IAS, IPS and defense officers. So what are you waiting for, ladies? Let's join our hand together for the journey to fulfill your dreams. Together we can do it. सपने आपके, कोशिश हमारी, and that's called Swavlamban. So subscribe Swavlamban series at upsclounge.com. Thank you. Jai Hind.